Hello and welcome to the Chop Busters. Today we're exploring 20 construction inventions so astonishing you'll question how they even exist, each pushing the limits of modern building technology in ways that feel almost unreal. Broad Bcore. Bcore is a lightweight stainless steel panel system made from two thin plates joined by a tubular core and filled with rock wool for insulation. It is much lighter than concrete, highly resistant to earthquakes, fast to assemble, and durable enough to be reused repeatedly, making it an efficient and sustainable option for modern construction. Helix Micro Rebar is a 1-inch twisted steel reinforcement mixed into concrete to strengthen it internally and prevent cracks before they start. The twist creates a strong mechanical bond, improving durability, seismic resistance, construction speed, and overall safety while reducing labor and cost. Egcobox is a thermal brake connector used to link exterior elements like balconies to the interior structure while preventing heat loss. It uses reinforcing steel bars that pass through insulation, allowing the component to remain structurally secure but thermally separated. This reduces thermal bridges, helps avoid condensation and mold, and improves energy efficiency. SmartBark is an engineered bark siding that recreates the look of natural species like poplar, walnut, and chestnut, while avoiding the limits and costs of real bark. It installs easily, needs no bug treatment or special moisture barrier, and is durable, weather-resistant, and flame-resistant. Unitized Curtain Wall System by Harmon Inc. is a factory-assembled curtain wall solution designed for fast installation and high performance. It is fabricated, glazed, and sealed in controlled conditions, which minimizes field work and improves installation precision. The system supports large modules, varying glass infills, and accessory integration. Sugarcrete is a low-carbon building material made from sugarcane byproducts, developed as an alternative to bricks and concrete blocks. It was recently used to build a school in India as the first full-scale prototype for real-world testing. It aims to provide a sustainable, affordable option for future construction. Mapeguard WP System is a waterproofing solution designed for internal walls and floors in damp areas, creating a secure moisture barrier before installing ceramic tiles, stone, or LVT. It is fast to apply, easy to handle, and ready for covering immediately, making it a reliable system for bathrooms, showers, and other wet environments. Schüco Perfect is a fully integrated, pre-assembled system for windows, patio doors, and lift and slide doors that streamlines installation and boosts reliability. Its modular design allows add-ons like sun shading, insect screens, fall protection, and floor finishes, while the cross-trade installation takes only about 10 minutes, improving efficiency and overall project cost effectiveness. HyCOMB is a lightweight stone cladding system that pairs natural stone veneers with a reinforced honeycomb backing, giving high strength at a fraction of the weight of solid stone. It installs quickly, supports large panel sizes, and offers durability, weather resistance, fire safety, and good thermal and acoustic performance for interior and exterior use. Like New Concrete is a spray-on mix that penetrates and bonds with existing concrete to refresh worn surfaces quickly and affordably. It applies in about an hour, dries fast, hides stains and repairs, and creates a durable finish that won't chip or peel. It's suitable for driveways, patios, walkways, and more, giving old concrete a clean, uniform look. Core Drive is a gravel stabilization grid that keeps gravel firm, level, and fully porous, eliminating ruts, weeds, and puddles. It provides the look of traditional gravel with a stable surface that's easy to walk or roll over, and installs quickly over existing surfaces for a simple, cost-effective driveway upgrade. Sarnafil TFSH is a self-healing roofing membrane that uses water-reactive polymers to automatically seal small punctures and cracks, stopping moisture before it spreads. It's designed for high-value buildings where leaks are critical and offers long-lasting sustainable protection as part of the cradle-to-cradle certified Sarnafil AT line. BIMPRINTER is an on-site topographic printer that precisely projects digital building plans onto the floor, eliminating reading mistakes and giving crews a clear, immediate layout of walls, partitions, and technical elements. It streamlines setup, improves accuracy, and speeds up construction workflow. ACETube is a high-permeability geotextile tube used to separate water from dredged sediment, making dredging faster and more efficient while retaining solids effectively. Once filled, the tubes can be transported for safe disposal or reused as stable foundations for marine and coastal structures, helping maintain water quality and reservoir capacity. KIDRILL is a prefabricated screw pile foundation system developed by KIDRILL, designed to replace traditional in-place concrete piling. The system uses steel screw piles that can be installed rapidly with minimal material and site disruption. It offers cost efficiency, faster installation, and safer foundation construction compared to conventional methods. The Imbrico joist frame system is a porcelain tile decking solution that locks tiles onto an aluminum track set over standard joists, creating a durable, low-maintenance surface for outdoor decks and rooftop spaces. It offers a clean, grout-free finish that stays stable and long-lasting in all weather conditions. SKYFLEX is a flexible, fast slab forming system built around an 8-foot by 8-foot grid that reduces the number of props and speeds up deck work. Its patented 6-way drop head allows early striking while keeping workers safely inside the slab area, and the system can be assembled from ground level by only 2 people using the installation bar. Eaves ventilation components like the loft ventilation tray maintain proper airflow in the roof space by keeping insulation from blocking the eaves. They are lightweight, durable, adjustable to different roof pitches, and can be installed easily from inside the loft without disturbing the roof covering, ensuring consistent ventilation and a healthier roof system. TOUNDRA BOX is a Canadian-made, pre-vegetated modular green roof box filled with sedum plants and growing medium, designed for quick installation and easy maintenance on roofs, terraces, and plaza decks. It offers an all-in-one solution that brings instant greenery and improved environmental performance to building surfaces. MevaDec is a modular slab formwork system designed for fast, efficient, and flexible concrete forming. It uses lightweight panels, beams, and drop heads that allow early stripping, reducing prop time, and speeding up the overall construction process. The system adapts easily to different layouts, keeps components reusable and durable, and delivers smooth, consistent slab finishes. Thanks for watching. Stick around for more incredible discoveries and keep an eye out for the next breakthrough reshaping the construction world. And don't forget to join us again for more mind-bending tech.